case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
An intriguing case heard by the Idaho Court of Appeals in 1990, Anderson v. Schwegel, revolved around the obscure legal concept of a quasi-contract. This concept arises when one party inadvertently or unknowingly benefits from another's services or materials without a formal agreement. In this case, George Anderson, the owner of a treasured vintage Plymouth from 1935, entered into an informal agreement with an auto body shop, Schwegel, to restore his automotive gem. The partnership turned sour when Anderson, who envisaged comprehensive bodywork and extensive engine repairs, realized that Schwegel had interpreted restoration differently, focusing solely on the vehicle's exterior. Schwegel had already embarked on the restoration work without a written agreement to detail the extent of the work required. As the project progressed, Anderson authorized additional engine repairs to be performed by a third-party automotive shop, K&F. Although the eventual invoice exceeded the initial $6,000 verbally agreed upon by Anderson and Schwegel, Anderson voiced no complaints and, to the contrary, even provided an additional $2,000. Yet, the saga continued as further repairs were discussed, and the project was subcontracted to Rick Vance Auto, with Schwegel retaining some aspects of the work. The case wound up in the lower courts, where the decision, stunningly in Schwegel's favor, was affirmed by the Idaho Court of Appeals. Schwegel, identified as the prevailing party under Idaho law, was not only awarded $4,800.27 as restitution, but was also granted additional costs and attorney fees. The court established that Schwegel was entitled to compensation for services rendered under a quasi-contract, even if the enhancements did not necessarily increase the car's value. The ruling underscored the nuances and risks of verbal agreements in this peculiar world of vintage automobile restoration.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.